SIM card. But hello everyone, welcome back to the vlogs. My name is Brittany. Thank you so much for watching today's video. As you guys saw by the title, this is going to be a Sunday in my life. I love watching the Sunday reset vlogs, so I thought I would film one for you guys. And right now I have laundry to do, and then later on I'm going to be running a couple errands. I need to, well, I don't need to, but I would like to get my car washed and get it like fresh and clean for the week ahead. And I also need to run to Target because I need new hangers. I'm running low, which is weird because I've been getting rid of a lot of my clothes on Poshmark. I've been selling a lot of them, and so you would think I wouldn't need as many hangers, but I'm still running out of hangers, so I need to go grab some of those today. So we have an eventful evening planned. Actually, I thought this was gonna be like me just cleaning, but now that I like say everything that I need to do out loud, it turns out to be a lot more. So if you guys are interested in what I do in a Sunday to get my life organized, get it together, then just keep on watching. So as you can probably hear, I just finished washing, like putting everything in the laundry. I still have to wash our duvet cover, but I just washed some white clothes and I don't want to risk our duvet getting stained because it's not white, it's like a sandy color, and that can still show the bleach stains. So I don't want to wash that right away, so I decided to wash the comforter because sometimes there's leftover, I noticed there's sometimes leftover bleach in the laundry, like it happened to our towels once. I'm gonna go downstairs and like take inventory of what we have in the refrigerator, and then from there I'm going to map out what I want to eat this week. We already have dinner for tonight. Nick's brother is actually here. Like what I want to make, because I want to be really strict about what I eat and making sure I'm eating like really healthy and foods that'll make me feel good before my birthday, because I want to, if I can trim down a bit for my birthday, I would love that. Yeah, so I'm gonna get started on that, and I think I need to just wipe down my bathroom, and actually I'm just gonna do a full clean of it. Why not? So I'm trying to figure out how I want to run errands, because everywhere I want to go is not close to each other by any means. Okay, so I've made up my mind. I'm not gonna do any of the grocery shopping like I said I was gonna do. I've just decided that I'm not gonna get pressed either. I'm just gonna bite the bullet and make my own juices, because it really doesn't make any sense when I looked in the refrigerator and I basically have everything I need, and I just found out the one that I like isn't even a juice, it's a smoothie. And I'm like, well, the point is to like juice, not drink a smoothie. So I'm not gonna do that today, but I do want to get my car cleaned out and fresh because I haven't vacuumed it out in a while. I take it through the wash at least once a week, just to keep the paint on it, because some of it is chipping on the side, but or not chipping, but like fading on the side. And so I go take it through the car wash because they have a UV protectant on there, and it does help a little bit. Like, it doesn't look too much worse from when I first got it, and like it was starting, and I've almost had my car for 3 years now, because I got it in 2019. Yeah, had it for 3 years now. So I'm just gonna go to the car wash and then to the grocery store on my way home and get like a couple of things I need for breakfast tomorrow. So like fruits, but nothing like meal prep wise. I can do that tomorrow. So car wash, and I'm surprised there's a lot of people here today just because it's so much later in the evening. Like, I figured everyone would be eating dinner right now, but it's actually kind of crowded. Like, I'm in line, and I've rarely had to go in line for the car wash, but it's fine. Like, I'm not in a rush. Got through the exterior wash of my car, and now I'm going ahead and clean it out. What I like to do is pull up the mats and everything. Like, I'm really gonna get in there and like really vacuum it, and as well as like wipe down the side of the doors and things like that. So yeah. So I just finished cleaning my car. That was like kind of a workout. Not even gonna lie to you. I need the air on. Like, my nose is running. And yeah, I'm going to the grocery store. All I need to get are strawberries, cucumbers, kale. I should have wrote this down. Kale, green apples, and Diet Coke. I think that's all I need to get, but I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna head there now. Nick is grilling tonight, so we have chicken on the grill, and somebody who's not supposed to be over here. Hey, get out of there. Got caught red-handed, buddy. Okay everyone, so it is later on in the evening and I'm just about to get ready for bed, so I want to close out the vlog here. I have some fun things coming up next week. In a couple of weeks it will also be my birthday and the vlogs are going to be so fun then. Lots of get ready with me's for birthday looks and everything. You guys have a wonderful rest of your day, evening, whenever you're watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if I already haven't said that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.